Welcome to ezW2, the SSA Approved tax form software. Follow these straightforward steps for a smooth installation. If you're a new client, you can experience ezW2 risk-free with our free demo version. No credit card required. Step 1. Prepare for installation. Ensure you're logged into Windows as an administrator or a user with installation permissions. Step 2. Download the ezW2 installation package. Visit the ezW2 download page and click Download ezW2. Once the download is complete, open your browser's download file list by clicking the download icon. Initiate the installation by clicking on ezW2 setup.msi. Step 3. Install ezW2. If you encounter an alert stating that ezW2 is not listed in the Microsoft Store, confidently click Install Anyway to proceed. Navigate through the user-friendly ezW2 installation wizard. Accept the terms by clicking I agree on the license agreement screen. Choose whether to install ezW2 for yourself or all users on the computer. Follow the on-screen instructions to seamlessly complete the installation process. Step 4. Accessing ezW2. A desktop shortcut will be created for easy access. Click it to run the ezW2 software. If you're a new client, you can click Help document links on the main screen or find the Help option in the top menu for a quick start guide. ezW2 is SSA approved and has been trusted by thousands of clients for 2 decades, streamlining W-2 and 1099 tax reporting for businesses of all sizes. For any assistance, visit the support page on the Half Price Soft site. Our team is dedicated to promptly helping you. Thank you for choosing ezW2. We look forward to making your business management more efficient and reliable.